Calm your hearts, my friends. We stand together against the darkness. When the storm passes, only unity remains.
असल ताकत जोर में नहीं, बल्कि रहम और एहतराम में होती है।
When we help each other, even the deepest wounds begin to heal.
We survived because we stood together as one.
A true leader walks ahead, but never leaves others behind. Every storm teaches us a lesson, and every struggle makes us stronger. Where there is unity, even the jungle finds peace.